My name is Leigh. We live in Wexford, and we had our basement renovated in the summer and fall of 2024. So we vetted a few different contractors and found them to be disorganized and a little unreliable out of the gate. Pittsburgh Best was completely opposite of that. So we had the pleasure to work with Missy. She came out to our house, and from the moment we met her, we just thought she was great. She was very buttoned up, very detail-oriented, and we decided to go with them from that first meeting on. So Missy exceeded our expectations by designing our basement. We have a pretty small, narrow basement and weren't sure what we could do with the space, and she came right in and designed it, laid it out so it was perfect for our needs. Everything we wanted fit in her new design, and we've been really happy with it. So the lead person on our installation was Tobey. He was incredible. He made sure that we were comfortable with everything that they were working on every day. They kept us up to date in the app with what the plans were. If there was any change to the plan, they were very communicative about that. And we were just really happy with everything that team did. The crew was incredible. They were very detail-oriented. Like I said before, they were clean, organized, and everybody was very nice and respectful of our home while they were here. Do it. They are an incredible company. Our end result far exceeded our expectations, and I would highly recommend them. We've increased the square footage of our house significantly by redoing our basement. There's a place for our kids to spend time. We can entertain our friends in the new space. It's the best decision we've made. Thank you, Pittsburgh's Best. We love our basement. We spend all of our time down there, and we really appreciate all of your hard work.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.